Want to unlock even more exciting features in Zombie Tsunami? Let me show you how to buy diamonds and level up your game. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy diamonds in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch the Zombie Tsunami app on your device and ensure you're on the main menu screen. On the main menu, tap on the market option. Now in the market menu, look for the diamond section. It might be labeled as a diamond icon. Here you'll see several packages of diamonds available for purchase, ranging from small to large amounts. Here browse through the options and select the package that fits your need. Once you've chosen a package, tap on it. After you tap on the buy option, a pop-up will appear directing you to your device's payment system, Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. After your payment is processed, your diamonds will be added to your account instantly. You can now use them to buy upgrades, power-ups, and more premium features. And that's it. You've now got diamonds in Zombie Tsunami to enhance your gameplay. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.